Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, get ready to discover your new favorite plant-based meal, Tofu Sisig. This incredibly flavorful dish takes all the smoky, savory goodness of traditional Filipino sisig and transforms it into a fantastic vegan delight. It's truly amazing how tofu can absorb so much flavor, creating a satisfying texture that's just as good, if not better, than the original. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply curious about exploring more plant-based options, this recipe is definitely for you. It's a wonderful way to enjoy classic flavors in a fresh, new way. All right, let's talk ingredients. The stars of our show are extra firm tofu, which will press and crisp up, along with vibrant red onions and a mix of green and red bell peppers. For that signature sisig tang, you'll want fresh calamansi juice or lemon juice as a substitute, and quality soy sauce. A crucial secret is a dash of liquid smoke. It truly brings that smoky grilled flavor to life. If you like a richer texture, a spoonful of vegan mayonnaise works wonders. Gather these simple items, and you're well on your way. The first crucial step is preparing your tofu. You absolutely need to press out as much water as possible. This helps it get incredibly crispy when cooked. Once pressed, cut your tofu into small, bite-sized cubes and then pan-fry them until they are beautifully golden brown and firm. Alternatively, an air fryer works wonderfully for this too. While your tofu is crisping up, take the time to finely chop your red onions and both green and red bell peppers. Having these ready makes the rest of the cooking process super smooth and enjoyable. Now comes the magic, the sisig sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together fresh calamansi juice or lemon juice if unavailable, with good quality soy sauce and that essential liquid smoke. A tiny bit of sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. If you're going for a creamy sisig, now is the time to stir in your vegan mayonnaise. Once your crispy tofu and chopped vegetables are in a hot pan, pour this incredible sauce over everything. Stir it all together quickly, letting those amazing flavors truly meld and sizzle. Your amazing tofu sisig is now ready. Serve it up immediately, ideally on a sizzling hot plate to keep that wonderful sound and aroma going. Garnish generously with extra fresh red onions, more chopped chilies for heat, and perhaps some vibrant spring onions for a burst of color. It pairs perfectly with a warm serving of steamed rice, absorbing all those incredible flavors. For an even more authentic experience, consider adding a vegan fried egg on top. Enjoy this delightful plant-based dish. It's a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.